girl, Duchess Kiki. Good morning, first of all. Well, now it's afternoon. I'm coming on to say happy Mother's Day to all of the mothers out there in YouTube land. Happy Mother's Day, y'all. I am eating breakfast. I made me a wrap. If you can see, it's got eggs and cheese, turkey bacon, and some avocado, and then I have some cranberry juice. So that is my breakfast for the day. And my son is still sleeping because since they've been out of school, he go to bed late as I don't know what, and barely get up like late. So he better enjoy it while he can, because college start in the fall and he'll be working and doing college. So dude, you got to get it together. So yeah, but I'm sorry. His job have him laid off because of quarantine. I mean, because of the COVID-19. So he's been laid off, but God has still been blessing. So, but yeah, he's a senior this year and they shut school down for the whole year. So we're waiting to hear from the school when graduation will be. I feel bad for him because he didn't have a normal closing of a school year. Like, they didn't get to say bye to each other or anything. So I feel bad for him, y'all. I really do. For him and their class of 2020. My graduation won't be till June because I have one more class to take. So yeah, but that's what we're doing. I'm not going out. I'm still not going out for Mother's Day or anything, because y'all, I don't want to take the chance. I don't want to take the chance. I would be the one to catch it, and I just don't want to take the chance. I know I would be the one to catch it. So definitely not doing that. Not going out for this whole Corona stuff. So we are staying in the house. I'm staying in the house. I'll probably end up making jewelry, or yesterday I watched TV all day. So today I think I'll do something productive. But that's all. I just come on and say happy Mother's Day to you all. Hopefully I'll get myself together and I'll come back on later and maybe can say it and looking a little better than what I'm looking right now. So maybe that's what I'll do. All right, guys. You guys take care, and I'll talk to you guys later.